SAVA stock, Cassava Sciences Inc. So far in this session of what is left of it, we have a few seconds before it closes. That's the session of the 31st of January 2021. SAV stock gained 11.50% right now. Since the last since the last 1 hour or thereabout, it's been on a bullish push. You can see that the angle of attack is not so steep, and it hasn't really fallen below its 10-minute trend line, 10-minute moving average, apart from a few minutes ago. So yes, it's on the move right now. Momentum is trying to improve, holding up, ensuring that it didn't fall below this midpoint of 50 so far. So RSI is also holding up as well, just slightly below the oversold territory. So the market has closed for today, the 31st of January. Momentum is very strong. Okay, pretty much okay on for cassava stock, that is SAVA stock. So it is now down 0.23%. Market has closed now. You can see the post-market figures there. So let's remind ourselves what the underlying trend is for cassava. It's still, I think it's still very much a bullish one, at least not a bearish one. So momentum on this daily chart is strongly bullish. So to the RSI. And let's see what the news was. I don't think there's any news. Okay, there wasn't any news, so let's get the volumes. The volume was 1.738 million shares. Okay, and is it optionable? I think it is optionable. Yes, it is optionable. And let's get the top movers for cassava on its options. So the biggest movers in terms of volume was the February 4th, I think it's a Friday, February 4th, 2022, 45 calls, an increase in volume of 138.89%. And in terms of gains, it was I think, let's have a look and see which one was the biggest gainer. The biggest gainer, I think, is the $37 calls of the same series, the 4th of February. Okay, it gained 113.7%. So let's return and see what the volumes are saying. So the market has closed. It's pretty much based on what we are looking at here. It's the volumes were mostly buy to neutral volumes, I mean, so to say. Okay, the volume, the figures has changed now. It's now green, so it's currently where it was, where it closed at $4,425. So there isn't really anything going on. There isn't any news. It may just be trading on momentum. That is probably why we are seeing that. So let's see whether we can get any news on the internet concerning cassava. Cassava Sciences. Okay, there isn't any fresh news as such. And of course, we all know that coming back here, we can see as at the 23rd, just before the Christmas, it says here that Cassava Sciences launches website to back phase 3 studies of Simufilam for Alzheimer's disease. Yes, and we covered that some time ago. So yes, so far the other news is that a price target was reduced from $108 to $72 after revising costs, capital assumptions, and but the buy rating is still maintained. So we haven't found any fresh news, just that maybe market participants are expecting something we don't exactly know about, but it gained 11.32%. Momentum so far in this post market is holding up, but so far it's unchanged. Okay, so we still maintaining our price target, but even though we don't exactly remember what that is, but we're not changing what it is, and you find it the target in the description box below. We're maintaining that target now. So the market has closed for the 31st of January 2021, and Cassava is holding up in this post-market session, hasn't dropped the ball yet. Okay, so this is just an update to see what you make of SAVA stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.